Hi everyone, this is Mimi from Sonya Dakar, and I am so excited to share with you today our newest innovation. It's the Omega Polish and Activator Duo. This is a brand new duo that is a pore-refining 3-in-1 system. It works as a peel, as a daily exfoliant, and also as a mask. It starts with the Omega Polish. This is a finely milled powder that consists of finely milled flax seeds, colloidal oat, as well as rice grains. And you'll see right here as I pour this how fine it actually really is. You'll see the little dark bits right here are the flax seeds that are rich in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, and those are help release that special oil into your skin when you apply it. Now, what you also do is you're going to put in this activator gel. This is the gel that actually helps the product bloom and come to life. It's a cooling gel that uses hyaluronic acid, which plumps your skin, lactic acid, as well as aloe, and pore-refining green lentils. We're gonna use the first set right here on Taryn. Taryn actually has, and you'll see right here, she has sensitive skin. So Taryn's going to use our gentle formula of the Omega Polish right here, and this is the perfect way for her to start her day. Taryn's going to apply this onto wet skin. So let me just dampen Taryn's skin for a second, and you'll see that she has those red undertones. Taryn actually told me she just came back from New York, and so her skin is dehydrated and it's irritated. So this gentle formula is perfect for her. So if your skin is red, if it's inflamed, if you even have rosacea or just gets irritated really easily, you're going to use this gentle formula. So you see that she mixed the gel and the powder together, and they turn into, when they're emulsified, this beautiful, luxurious, exfoliating, lathering cream. She's gonna apply that on her skin. Now, if Taryn just wants to use it for 30 seconds, this will become her daily exfoliant. If you have another extra minute, you're going to leave that on your skin, and that lactic acid and the pore-refining green lentils are gonna work as a beautiful, gentle peel. And if you leave it on for 10 minutes, then it turns into the third item that you can have, which is a mask. And that really helps to clarify the skin, tighten, and pore refine. So you'll see that she works this into her skin. Now the second version that we have is perfect for someone with more oily skin, an oily T-zone. I know Monica always talks about her enlarged pores, and we all have enlarged pores that we want to reduce, for goodness sakes. So this is where the active formula comes into place, and you'll see it'll say active formula with lactic acid. This is the same powder as the gentle, except it uses 4.5% lactic acid, which is really going to kick it up a whole other notch. So when, again, Monica's going to use this with the activating gel, and again, this is great for combination, oily skin, acne-prone type, and if you have that like T-zone with those enlarged pores, I actually love to use the active formula. Again, you're going to mix the gel and the powder equal amounts together onto damp skin, and you're going to massage it on your skin. So you have those three options that you can do. Again, 30 seconds, you massage it, you rinse it, that's your daily exfoliant. 1 minute, you're gonna leave it on your skin. That lactic acid's going to give you that professional peel. And for the active formula, you literally leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, and that is going to tighten your skin and give you that mask that you're looking for. When you rinse it off, you're gonna really have those beautiful professional results. So if you're looking to refine your pores, if you're looking to exfoliate that dry, dead, drabby skin, if you're looking for a product that clarifies, and really something that is multifunctional, this Omega Polish and Activator Duo is really perfect for you. If you have any questions at all, we have skin experts right here at our clinic. You can email them really easily, experts@sonyadakar.com, or you can always visit us online on our website or on our blog at sonyadakar.com. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.